Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start new unit number 8. And the name of the unit is Hassan's Day. It is on page number 48 and 49. Before reading, write down the date at the top of the page and start writing numbers before each line. We have 16 lines on page number 48. Start writing numbers before each line from 1 to 16 on page number 48. Now you have to read after me and put your finger on each word. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Line number 1. Today is Monday. It is, line number 2, 7 o'clock in the morning. Line number 3. Hassan is getting ready for school. Line number 4. He has toast and milk. Line number 5. For breakfast. Line number 5. For breakfast, he says salam to his mother. Dear students, Hassan's Day, unit number 8, Hassan's Day. In this unit, we are going to study the daily routine of a boy named Hassan. Okay? And we are studying in this lesson that how Hassan starts his day and what activities he does in his whole day. Okay, so and when we are reading, match your activity or daily routine of your life with Hassan. Now in first paragraph we read that Hassan wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning and he uh, he uh, he does his breakfast with toast and milk. Okay, and always he says salam to his mother or the parents or anybody else in the home that is big from Hassan. Okay, now we are continuing our lesson, line number 7. Put your finger on line number 7. It is 8 o'clock. Hassan is at school. Line number 8. He is saying Assalamu alaikum to his classmates. Line number 9. Classmates. His best friend Raza is absent today. Line number 10. Today Hassan is sad. Yesterday Raza, line number 11, was ill. All the teachers were worried about him. So we can see in these lines that Hassan daily reaches his school at 8 o'clock. But today Hassan is very sad. Why he is sad? Because his friend is absent. Absent means not come. Okay, not present. Why he is not present? Why? Because he is ill. That's why he is absent. Okay, so the word yesterday is here. Okay, today means now, the current day, and yesterday means the day that passed. Okay, the day that passed. Now Line number 13. It is 1 o'clock. Hassan is back from school. Line number 14. Back from school. He is, line number 15, saying Assalamu alaikum. Line number 16, to his mother. Now, one more thing we read in these lines, that daily Hassan comes back from school at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, and daily when he comes back from school, he say salam to his mother. Now, next page, page number 49. We have you have to write down numbers, line numbers from 17. Okay, start writing numbers before each line. Start from 17, 18, 19, and we have to finish on last line, that is line number 37. So start writing numbers from 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and finish at 37. Now, line number 17. It is 2 o'clock. Hassan is feeling hungry. Line number 18. Hungry. He is eating lunch. He says Alhamdulillah after eating. Okay, one more time mention here, that is 2 o'clock, and this is the time when Hassan eats his lunch daily. Okay, so Hassan's lunch time is 2 o'clock. Now, line number 20. It is 4 o'clock. Hassan is doing his homework. Line number 21. He is solving some math problems. Okay, so daily at 4 o'clock, Hassan completes his homework, and today he is solving some math homework, some math sums. Now, line number 22. It is 6 o'clock. Hassan is waiting, line number 23, for his father. His father came home late yesterday. Line number 24, late yesterday. Again, yesterday word came here, and yesterday means a day before current day, a day before today. He was busy in the office. Okay, so at 6 o'clock daily, Hassan waits for his father, and daily at 6 o'clock, his father comes back home from his office. Line number 26. It is 8 o'clock. Hassan's father is home now. Line number 27. Home now. Hassan had his mother in the kitchen. He is now eating dinner. Line number 29. Dinner with his parents. Yesterday, again, yesterday. Line number 30. Hassan's grandparents came to his house. Line number 31. House. They were very happy to see him. Line number 32. Hassan played Ludo with his grandfather. Now, in this paragraph, it is mentioned that daily at 8 o'clock, Hassan and their parents eat dinner. What is dinner? Dinner is the last meal of the day, and we do dinner in the night, definitely the last meal of the day. And yesterday, again the word yesterday used here, and I told you the meaning of yesterday. a day before today that has passed. Okay, and so what happened yesterday? That yesterday Hassan's grandparents visited to his home and they played Ludo with him. Now line number 34. It is 9 o'clock. Hassan is sitting on his bed, line number 35, and praying for his friend Raza. Line number 36, he is thanking Allah for all his blessings. Line number 37, he is feeling tired and sleepy. Okay, so daily at 9 o'clock, Hassan gets his bed and before going to sleep, first daily he prays to Allah and he thanks Allah for all his blessings. And Raza, Raza is ill, his friend is ill, so he also prays for Raza for his better health. So this is we have done, and in this unit we learned the daily routine, daily activities of Hassan. Okay, so read it, listen the video again and again, and try to read after the teacher. Okay, and put your finger on the words while reading, and don't forget to write down the line numbers. Thank you.